Hey guys, here's the best settings for max FPS in Skyrim. Start by going to Skyrim on Steam, right-click Skyrim, Manage, browse local files, and start the game by running the SkyrimSElauncher.exe. Double-click that. This window will pop up, select Options, select Advanced, set your Godrays Quality to Off. This is the largest gain out of all of the settings. After that, set Shadow Quality and Shadow Distance to Medium. If you have FPS to spare, it's about 10 FPS, raising it from medium to high. Uncheck screen space ambient occlusion, screen space reflection, and make sure those are both off. After that, go to the top and select view distance, and at the bottom for object detail fade, set this to medium. Now you can exit out of that. Set your anti-aliasing to FXAA Low. Click OK. After you do that, go down to the search bar at the bottom, type power plan, edit power plan. At the top, select Power Options, and set your power plan to high performance. Now launch the game and you're good to go. In the description and on screen, I have a video showing how to unlock your frame rate and go past the 60 FPS limit. If this helped, let me know down below.